Ha ka ta o etsana a go go hatsa ka thuto.
Kona ma. Okay. Ba re ba itse.
Wena take me sisera ka ntle, wena take me sisera tšhelete le shwa. Batho ba ipude.
No,
Ke ba ntse.
Banke tšhelete ba o betsa wa emena.
Lego to tšhelete ao.
Aba o ne
Emena go ne.
Sente ke tšhelete.
Ya go ma motho mo e batlang 2 million.
Ke batla le fela. Mapolesa ba teng mona ka thata
No like anga go rotse.
a ke tla ka se ditla ka tlene ba tse ke ile ka
She batho ba o kidnap. Ba o kidnap. Ba o nkile ke ta o tsoa sontso le kala. Ba o jetse re mona bona. No, you are out no. Maga milo ha kona.
You can cook it, you can fry it.
Okay, but ba o se tsa best chef tsena.
O ja kwa ma motho.
A gona mo tsa
Ga ma go
Ha fo ne mapolesa a
Ukwa ka boma. Ukwa ka boma ka bona masana la ma go di tšhe. Ya tšhe. A sa bua se.
tšhelete
Go ke ka go tšale.
abo
Ka go tšale. Di.
tšhelete 2 million mo ga ke go
La big one to me.
At least 10 is it?
Mina 100 is it? Ai.
makaka poteng
Never
Macam coba nak kau rekisa yo.
se re tla mo se sa mo ba ona tso ka ditsa le o tsola nanga ba
Ayo coba le nanga ye. Cuma tu kuji. Aku sih zaman kalau kita KFC mau tu amu. Boleh je.
ba go tsamaya tjena
Ada yeza.
o tsamaye o shae
Ada yeza. Ada yeza. Apa yeza maka? Ibe kita maka jaga semua patle kita. Iya je pilani.
o ga ne le tshwatsa slofe
Iya je pilani.
o le ipela ga ne le tshwatsa
Iya
slofe
Ayelo. Le batho ba tlongela hlo.
a tlo shaponya
o lo trenda le o lo trenda
trenda wa fela ora to le mna
mara serious ai mona dai ai no trenda ga dai yo jwalo seng mara no for
Kamera
na
ka jaga se ke hlo pilani.
wa bona 100 ta ba beile yi ma jo tsa ga mona ke jawa le ba no o re ke ka ya kya
Le hlanya la bona
ke
le
tsotsi ya let's go ari
Ba o betsa gore ha o ka tla ja kwa ya motho Jesus 100 million.
Ana shopane hlelo nke se jo. Ke sa kgethe le ditšhelete.
Dead woman.
ai nepofeli yazi kapa ke nepofeli kapa nikofeli I wouldn't do that bro
No. What we talk like you fucking dead woman, like Bamulano.
never zina
And then after that,
Thola tšhelete.
200 million.
never zina step sa pele ke je something but you
Ga
ya
etsa go batho be
okay so jalo so hula di spirit tse ding tse tonka tšhelete no bosibu jwa bosibu to bona tšhelete no nyamela ke stop se solo so sja
O bolao ngwana. Amnyane. No, em lemo. Wena o mkhethe. You take like you take your way, like you have your way with the dead woman.
Mana ba ngata seperti ini. Dia sangat pelaku.
Hey! Oh, like it's a material.
mona na thabotse na tsene koloi ke na ya hai bo ke Mara, you know. I'm gonna serious. That is dog. I don't wanna lie, fat. I don't wanna lie. It deep with it. I don't know different. All I eat, till I say.
Industry music
Mutanga mushape.
music industry uthiletsa ntho tse ding tse tshosang
Ngwana ke kimi.
Nepo kan awara ga ha ka ke industry go wena ke
Mona ke re bone mfana hao na etsa mona o na etsa yona necrophilia ke mang
Onela unje shape.
ana ke ta bona o tlo thola bo ma 5
Ba bona
years
bona phela kwenyawa.
Iseng basa le banna Disney duo
Ba bona mojolo kwenyawa shapa wa. Jus.
yeah
Ba bona mojolo shapa le kwenyawa. Timothy. Ba bona wa shapa wa.
ta jouer
Tu as amené sa pièce, c'est la ça roule, on tout cas. How should you do that to faire?
shit jamani tumiza copyright man ile
Ah, ça va.
That's cool. Shout out Patience Baloyi. How's it?
Mas como eu.
Number one fan.
Jacob. Today is a funny day. Yo guys, today is a funny day.
Yo, what's up? What's good? Lemonade. You wanna see a movie? You wanna see music? You wanna see freestyle? We do it here live.
Yeah. Hey. Repa.
Hello guys. C'est que mo soto.
Yeah.
Parce que soto ke re dumela bana beso. Ke re dumela bana beso ka le bitso ke ntate Flex wa kwete, dumelang. Lemonade. Tena ke mtatsi wa freestyle andra.
Freestyle. Yo, guys. So boy Klepa Khale, go freestyle today. Rap.
What's up? What's good? What's happening? Shout out Patience Baloyi. Shout out Asinati. What's good? What's happening, Lemonade? I see the poll. 33%. Which one do you guys want? So all I see is What's good?
Vote.
And don't forget to subscribe. Baba.
It's your boy Avery. What it do? It's been a while, YouTube. It's been a while, yo, Zoo speaking.
Random songs.
Guys. Yeah.
Which one are they gonna fuck with?
Yeah. Check it out. Missioning Gabalata Gabatunya Lokokwana Hluku, Nzeba Kula la Marula, Nzebo Taya la Makul, Hagispita Pancheha, Fagidi fuck quality Pula, Hakamatzilla, Diramigadi Tula, Tulonia Klepa, Osadula, these niggas by a Mura Leraba Kilo Huta, Tuhuta second version that the Fox Wambabani, Kepakisa Matona Gerabato Babokani, Kishapazo Timate, Hagerama Obani, Kepanda Dimbazana Jaka Fosta Watetan. Speaker is come jaka life amoletsan ke thata ba senatla ha ke khaola diketane mahipi ya bobebu ngaba fraya ka lapane ba jola la kabane ha ke jola botlalane dimeli tse seleng se di jola tomtaban ha hano ke na fatse hlono tse be ga hlalane untimado tse mnate ice cream le tsopane ho banong ke tsa so hlono tse be re nyalane ho setse be ke fela go rekela sefofane ngwana le nyoloi hanga thola re nyobane nka thaba jwanga o ka ntenela tetana ka bona ge metane melomo e pechane ganyola family wa kipa bogacha
Yeah!
W's in the chata.
check it out yeah ke re biti ke palama holy fire ntse ke fire ke mruti ka diphantšha ke speeda ba ga fire ba ntšhaela ba kambi faratsa fakilaya tate zuzi tša ka biti ba tsebe ke ntwe thata moduma wa gabola jaaka mkoko ka pagaka direme di a ba gama jaaka ke fucking so dope ke speeda di dis ka style se lead ke ba tsela chidis le ka la kankadi ke ba gaola le mokadi ka pina ke mosadi wa bagadi ba o shela tharing ke le golo le membo belete ha ke khwaitse dipelete ke phufisa digaleke
Damn. Ke clap geleke le mo follow guys. Check him out.
yo
Clap geleke. Freestyle ngwe telele mfana.
freestyle
Nata dintho tsa bana ke mfana Kendrick.
let's go
What up?
freestyle
It's your boy AB,
yeah
and I'm about to say something. Yeah. Yeah. So, check. Toast to the goals, y'all did the most. But I just bought a slaughterhouse, so come around. I'm selling mutton for £1/4. You can find your fake friends for a discount. With no spine, I swear they can't lie. Seeing you niggas, my dreams changed. I'm a cook now, fly rappers all stew now. Put the booth down, who's out for a treat? Look, I even offer tips. You wanna rap a rip fast, make them on the lip, then bring the game back so we prepare your meal. You can call me Chef Rush on my meals presidential. Take a taste buds on vacation daily. Never miss count, I'm the counter, baby.
baby check it out baby yeah ya yo banna ke o hela boloka riti sa dragone na ntweng a ke tangwelwe ke morena ke jere korone mahipi ke atlatlapa ka matlekang a Solomone le phantshi di bobebe jaka phala tsa masione di sneakers ke ba repita boloka maeno le ko Evan, gitseng boloka bana di tanka
Network e etsa jwa.
ya shulise
Network e etsa jwa.
Ludo e kae? Ke mana le Ludo bontate?
flexo
Flex.
jalo ka maeno le kapore e segugune foko sa tshepeng ka diqhoba ditshokotsane bogoleata ba ba ifinga ke ba romella le tsheketšane le ge ke sotwa ke ipone ke feta le puso Tom Thabane
Hey,
check it out
hey. Exit. Hey,
yeah
let me go off the top now.
yo
Here's a beat.
here's a beat
Check. For all the sacrifices that we make, we never sleep. Nightmares, nigga, we never sleep. For all the sacrifices that we make, we never sleep. Nightmares, nigga, we never sleep. Going back to back. I got the guard in the studio, lightning thunder. You gonna feel me, my nigga. I'm going under, but never undercover, nigga. Yeah, you know how we rollin', so we'll never fold, nigga. Yeah, you know what we told, nigga. Yeah, you know what we told you, niggas. Yeah, you know what we told you, niggas. Going underground, but never undercover, nigga. They missing online, missing punchlines, missing bars. But let me help y'all with something better. Let me give you your treat, nigga. I'm not. Let me give you your treat, nigga. I'm that better. Check it out.
Contradipsi komqolo ke bua ka sekoza tumediswe ke yona mall mina indivela ele so ke chincha slani magotsebe ke mosolo gapstyle di fapane ya tlepa ke beya madulo ke busa bantse bang ke morena setulo ke navele mavele ke binela di million. I never chase but I move like a water river, just go just move like a Jenny Walker ke ipate ke nyamele jaka jail topper. Molo uphila kanjani uhlala phi umama gubani indidlele umuazi ke hloka go se tseba palo tsa ka di so pass. I'm getting formatted jaka screen sa le pass.
Yo,
Re ke late ya ntho.
Yo
Ke batla ya ntho. Promise ya jewe. Ana ina promise ya jewe. Sing.
I wanna live a better life of my life. Bophelo bo be soft na ke phile paradise. Hey, ako bona boy ha se tsuwa lo sing, se tsuwa ka sepua se lo sing, se tsuwa ka smile. Hey, ke bophelo ba di filimi, nna ke kgatetse go phela ka di rekisi. Too cheap jaka chepisi. Ke batla tshwara bana ba fine jaka bo Mavis. Cha problem ke madiba kafiri a kontratse ke izola ke molele wa dithota AV ke mofutsana ke goka hey
I just wanna live in paradise. Wanna live in paradise. Drive fast cars around the city.
I wanna live a better life of my life. Bophelo bo be soft na ke phele paradise. Hi, ako bona boy se tsoa ka sepua se lo seng se tsoa ka smile. Hi, ke bophelo ba di filimi, nna ke kgatetse go phela ka di rekisi. Too cheap jaka chepisi. Ke botlhoko tshwara bana ba fine jaka bo Mavis. Cha problem ke madiba kafiri a kontratsa ke izola ke molele wa dithota AV ke mofutsana ke goka
Athola
nyana ya Iveko
Akispanisa
kochi ukobutsa my father ndade kochi
Ke bona afana 50%, mara 50% freestyle. Ba batla freestyle ba fit. Ba batla freestyle. Shout out Lisa, shout out Mau Global. Yeah, Mau Global.
Let's go. We get the Kalslan. But I mention Hudi Mataba. Tamale Baholo. Baraskataba.
Yeah.
I know Katore. Yeah. Here one check it out. Yeah. He banna le repa serao na ke thabelo phinyetsa ra tswa ke kene mogao ke kene sa fele di shebo go re ke thotse mefao ke tlole ka pisa mafika le dipitla jonna ngana ke bone heli tsela ba tla go etsa le tlhaso le nna no makanjane ne ba ke khwita pele ke tsapale it's unbelievable ke kenya time ke saibale kutlile bo mabare ya gore le ka gama tlhwarela gaolana ka la nagela tswakalletsa setlhare ke hana ke re hiti lipaka bokgosi jwang le kgolwang tsa le teng mo Sesotho tshwana mo Sesotho se tswang teng kganneleng kgomo tse pedi ke lo ba bontsha hore ke nne metseng hlaba sa mopedi no ba skile moselane ke skimmeng ba hlaba ntho tsela tse hlokgolo tumane so ke ipotsa o ka sala mang hanga se a se ke le ntse ke le karabetlele ba ka ba le ya kaofela ba hlwella di bicycle tse senang di petlele ba ndala di vese tsa ka se ka mketwa grocery clap and feeling like a hip hop robbery ba banyana ba fana ke bane bile ba repela banana ba mseja meja metalana ba di phala ba sena maada I never since ke ba serase game ya ba chincha bo AV ba ikutlwa iphaka mara ka ba chincha yeah check it out
Utosama, pull out here. I know real ones and I'm a no touch. Ijana mabula wanenya. Bona wana tanga wanenya. Don't be pressured by the pressure of gas. Instead, find ways the best work for you. You could be working over Ricky Sapats. At the end, it's all about the end goal. Building a new throne. I don't like the one they got situated where they say, slowly my dog. Cause I do better when it's there, cry my dog. Tricks on my sleeve, I'm an old my dog.
AV the fact go godisana le nna ebile o sa hlapa le anga we yo meletse ka re ke se hwapa
I said, Clapper, how you go clap with no hands? Come here, my nigga, but you got no land. Say you got stands, but I don't see that. Cause you got no wheels, nigga. You got no drive.
Hey, yeah, KAV. Le ke mo shebile best price. A jarile tamati ditapole le di rice. Ke le China le tla mtshwasa go utse ngomasa. Aga ke sebe ntate ha o fridge di antlelasa. You speak too much, my man. Come on. Yeah. How was how was Peter Ocholotsi? Lenchele lenyana maronchela o bolotsi. O fa pile ga seno le serao sa polobe. Monana o skokoto. Ka pokwena monna koko. Hey.
No, guys. I'm asleep. I'm out. Too many punches.
Tokwa. I can walk on it, my AV, how repaka robala pesalem. Your whole trick said he can a phone ya gem. Chowtala wana to a monaco fan at him. At the one that they get Galawana AV Alessuno, Kimoshots many times. Kayita Maramoko, Quinelana, Walesia Kalamba to Baba who. Once our famous, Onkasile Motola 3 lights. Chawaleka AV, Garo spinach.
What can I say? I'm sitting down now.
Go flex, go on, your frogam.
O cara di bifi. Sararigni. O cara di bifi dai man. O di samtemo le mu.
Yeah, get flex. Flex ou rekisama.
Flex.
Come on. Yeah. Flex o rekisa makwenya ke makala wa ya tropa hlama ngabe ke monyolotse khale jolo wa duba sa ikama o bloma makopo tsetlela ke la butwa phapha. Yo guys, this is a beef freestyle. umnati bafethu ga freestyle. Tsatsi la mnate fanda ga bafethu ke tsatsi la mnate ntselele mmoja. Hey, girl called Jasmine, or is this just
Yeah, just many.
the mouth lover?
It's just me.
Hey, Jasmine. Hey, hey, Mopos. I miss you. I miss you. Ta la 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 la. Two. Give me na makhalele khalala koma ke tsosarisana. Ke tsosariso go tsana khala ke go di chacha di thapa uta khala ke dinya ba re ma dia di lapa ha so pela ma bana ta bana go bana go tsena ba ga ngwana ka mana binela jaba sa ngwana begeng mana ba santso phela hobane wa bona mana wa thawa te sitao ya madikana go ja wa chapato ba ka o bana wa bona o je ka monkhaka tena we bue ka madi le moya ngwana dinyane ada o zilo sala monyane ala le zodo mana hello wila bana bhagame thala
Kim. 1 hour ago.
yo
Ay.
Too much money on my mind.
Hey.
Why do I find this thought? Too much money on my mind.
Hey. Hey.
How do I define these thoughts? Too much money on my mind.
Too much money on my mind.
How do I define these thoughts?
No.
Too much money on my mind.
Too-
How do I define these thoughts?
Hey, too much money on my mind, I can't tell that. I've been feeling so lonely like I had that. And it's good, every time I get that, it's like a big hat. Gotta get it like a big head on your beats. Every time that I get down when I eat, I'ma feel like I had to go and get that seat. For the big man with a lot for this music thing, and I got a lot for these niggas in this room for that love for. In this crowd for the big people in a lot more. But I gotta do it. Come back with a YNC. Niggas wanna see me when I come for a freeze. And I gotta go and get it like I had to be on a
Too
beat.
much money on my mind.
Too much money on a.
How do I define these thoughts? Too much money on my mind.
Too much money.
How do I define these thoughts? Too much money on my mind.
Money.
How do I define these thoughts?
Yeah.
Too much money on my mind. Yeah. How do I define these thoughts?
Let me get it back to back. I'm a grinder, I am at this mat. I go to it back to back. So I'm trying to get it back. So I am at it like an addict. In fact, let me tell you this fact about me. I grind overtime, my nigga. I did it from a young age. I will never rest until my diva athletic I safe. Back to back, back with a line I gain. In fact, I'm gonna make it better.
Too much money on my mind.
How do I define these thoughts? Too much money on my mind. How do I define these thoughts?
Too much money on my mind.
How do I define these thoughts?
Too much money on my mind.
How do I define these thoughts?
Maybe a second verse or a third verse. From Clapper, my boy, let's go.
I be rapping, I be caping when stepping in the cipher. Kibona bafana bajefa. Best of all in this game, I'm running on my own lane. I'm a wood, I'm a rap boy, and do what I enjoy. No more niggas wanna fuck with me. Hey,
Yeah.
you not doing,
Too much money on my mind.
How do I define these thoughts? Too much money on my mind.
Too much money on my mind.
How do I define these thoughts? Too much money on my mind.
Too much money on my mind.
How do I define these thoughts? Too much money on my mind.
Too much money on my mind.
How do I define these thoughts?
At it like a gold digger. at it like a gold digger, like a gold digger, like a gold digger.
Yeah,
I'm
and
at
we
it
funny
like
about
a
this
gold
bad
digger,
nigga.
like a gold digger, gold digger. At it like a gold digger, like a gold digger, gold digger. At it like a gold digger.
Money on my mind.
How do I find these thoughts?
Too much money on my mind.
How do I find these thoughts? Too much money on my mind.
How do I find these thoughts? Too much money on my mind.
Lenze man.
How do I find these thoughts?
Poster.
ya blue.
Already stay on chill.
Slice that on the black man. Yo!
We might make 2 or 3 songs live like this, boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Timamu.
Yang makina. Kaya tahemen na.
Timamu.
Abora bapa kala. Kamu mamiri sai kaya ta upload la mutsi bare mani. Limu simu kamu gaminna. Hai mu timinna. Mun tasi da mu diga ofe laza.
Too much money. How do I
Kaya mana kay kala mo ka.
Too much money on my mind.
Kaya mana kay kala mo ka.
How do I find these thoughts?
Who are the top fans? Let's see who are the top fans. Number 1 again, man. Let's see. Number 1 is Lisa, Lisiba. Number 2 is Mao, and then number 3. number 2 is Mao, and then number 3 is Asinati. Shout out, guys. The more you do something, the more you rank up in the chat, bro. So let's do that. Patrick and Mao.
Where's the power? 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 Where's the power?
Ngauza esiwile.
Hey.
Say with it. Mna lo sani ntutlo ethola mos. Ayibabhali la ile. Content le yona ayibabhala, ayinyameli mos. Flex again, Flex. Guys, it's not me. Flex is playing with his phone now. Looking for the best corn. He's looking for the best corn. We can replace that C with P.
If you're old enough.
If you're old enough, you will understand.
That nigga loves popcorn.
He loves popcorn.
Popcorn.
He's looking for popcorn. The more you engage, the more you rank up. Number 3 now is Ignimutsegi. Emanarina Mutsakasi, man. These niggas took it on this side, bro. They took that electricity on this side, bro.
ha e so bo dikile la magwagwa ha bona ka le sekame ha le maria ba shemane ba ya phats ke gongwe ke dikile ha so kwana ntwana tswana ba go romela le rumo tsa sekama di ya tswa ke tsetse mo ka re ke sa jaga le dithara ha se mo gwa ke le ya na ke kuta ka le ha ke Mosotho wa Sesotho sa mapela ha o le kganna ke ga motula fela ke motsodi wa dithota gansala ha iku ha so kwana moriana bana lo fetola thuto ha so kwana ha so kwana ha so kwana ha so le jabeng azena mtata awanje ke
Shut up.
Ana vamos a azul jabem
Skeda.
atena moja awanje gele kwa o
Cause it will pick.
ana vamos a
Itu
azul jabem
It will cut here.
ana vamos a
Video nya.
awanje gele kwa o
so ha batle
ana vamos a azul
How do you get kana kwa
jabem
no? O tlo nyetsa copy.
ana vamos a
oh
awanje gele kwa o
video na
ke ngwaneno ke le kwa fela le ra rwantshitse bonolo ba le sono ba seno ba senatana le kwa ke bona ba we all share time only high get high mohale ke mohale that right there to show you that we unified. You would die at the blood next door, and it turns out it's the same kind of my genes. So I smile, cause that's an increasing family. Le quala oma, idia di borda, le pale fox pato borda, Azula di cabin, Azela Mojaja, Awanje gele kwa o, Anawa Mojaja. Azul kabem amataza awanje kele kwa o ana wa masaza azul kabem ana wa masaza kele kwa o ana wa masaza
Amena. Lemon. Wabon kyo nti next time party.
buka tena dia di hai anna se hai se
Agena size do in le canon that the flex so apata. Kore fela ina mele giri chumu le bobata. Majayana tata fete wota wote kamote. Uri jile chiona manza mpola zemalize. Awala wala. Awala wala wajayana. Awala wala. Awala wala wajayana. Awala wala. Awala wala wajayana. Awala wala. Awala wala igada. Awala wala. Awala wala wajayana. Awala wala. Awala wala igada. Awala wala. Awala wala wajayana igada. Ligwata mizinga notawata. Chakina khanga isala manjeresa. Kawa banana hatote digeresa. Dipena kepsala zamana gazaba. Dipuyele zamana ditabare taba. Hanyanga wata suling tebile. Halibena jamana gaji.
Magaizwi lenge.
Awala wala. Awala wala wajayana. Awala wala. Awala wala digata. Awala wala. Awala wala wajayana. Awala wala. Awala wala digata. Hey, the time is come. And I'm going to try to do myself.
For the love of the music. Hey, this the best. That's to us next. What's best for the mess. That's it. Sacred.
I wanna,
Oh,
I wanna, we're singing low. I wanna, we're singing low. I wanna,
Get them.
I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Yeah, you got to live on now, ikagile banna ba lefa ha go tletse plating ba tsitsinya dijo ke bela ntlo ra bana mona ke sho tsebe o tsatsitse banna thota diawa ha go ke tse dinyaka sa tsitsinya thawa le golo ka magelana ke khang ka metsana ya magotla ke bokwa se ba ditang ke metsa benza mana mela ka tile ba shatang pa ke zamana we so tsatsitse metsarelang na buena go fela le gato ra
Ya, ene ka ke yone e ke afu.
no,
Like
cheapy. Solo no one tonight, cheapy. Ay, cheapy.
topic.
Ulolo. Kana wa ka ngolo nyame.
Are mafethu gold ke. Topic ke.
Gold.
Kwa.
Yeah, this is gold. Anyway, batho bana ba re gold. Ha ke so bono re na bang. Hey, kapebe. Something like I hold. Hey, you been fucked up. Hey, bare kai dilane so. I just so go ma ga dika le so.
I sound like a flashlight. You know for
Ya go. Ba fela flashlight thing. I need a focus bo.
Babua ka gold. Hey, babua ka gold. Lekemana babua ka letwa gold.
go.
Lekemana babua ka gold.
Ke yona.
Gold.
Boni bo.
Yeah.
Yana tawa ki ba gold. Ana yo golo.
Yeah. What do you feel like? Yeah. Hey.
Ana yo shamba lonely. Ana yo tawa yo bela ka gold.
Roll.
Ana yo bela ka gold. Ana yo tawa yo bela ka gold.
Rolling.
Turn on your gold, ngwana mme. Turn on your gold, ngwana mme. Turn on your gold, ngwana mme. Turn on your gold, AV. Turn on your gold, Zuzman. Turn on your gold.
Turn I get gold out Tiaga. I chipela. You find me up in the streets, you my teller. Tryna make sure that I'm paid. Yadi Kenela. All my homies know what these flows. Yadi Matala, Yadi Kenela. Every day in the streets. We working, never tweaking my nigga. Selling work is a purpose. Yeah, you know how we do it. Searching.
never out of lines, nigga. Just thinking, I'm working.
I'm working,
Good.
they cooking.
Tonight you
Big
good.
is the city, and I know I gotta get bugging. We live, doing this shit for life. We live, and we doing this shit for life. We got them top fans right there. They looking at us. We got top fans right there. They looking at us. In a dark city like this, we feeling like dark city like this, but we feeling like cuz. Yeah.
We feeling like cousin. Yeah. I say we feeling like cousin. Feeling closer than ever. Blood is always thicker than the water. Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
7 like 7. You know, heading like Anna. You know, we do for Mandelas. Everything is set in the end.
Who's up in the chat?
Who's up in the chat? I see Max, Mzanzi Nat, Ignatius Dad. What is that? Oh,
And
Neo
then you
Lucas
call
again.
And then you tell them about it.
Hi guys.
It's all love, it's all love, it's all love. Neo Lucas.
Eh, ako ba na unatong samon?
Yeah, why boy?
Hey,
Who's
Who's that? Who's that? Meg says that we got dope beats. Crazy. My hound, my crazy.
Damn.
Fresh as ever, nigga. Crazy. The beat is hot, my nigga. That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Feeling like rolling.
Listen to this hook. Listen to this hook. I'm gon' drop that top. I'm gon' make it rock. I'm gon' drop that top. I'm gon' make it rock. I'm gon' drop that top. I'm gon' make it rock. I'm gon' drop that top. I'm gon' make it rock. I'm gon' make it rock. Guys, yaga don't say about yaga. When I pull up with that Ultra Mela beam, I don't say about yaga. See, I got these dreams and I'm pursuing them like a dog and jogger. See, I'm never out of lines. I'm telling you, guys, yes, I'm jogger. Yes. Never out of line. Never out of line.
Feeling like
I'm gonna make it wrong. I'm gonna make it time. I'm gonna make it. Hey, shit. I'm gonna drop that top. I'm gonna make it rock. I'm gonna drop that top. I'm gonna make it rock. I'm gonna drop that top. I'm gonna make it rock. I'm gonna drop that top. I'm gonna make it rock. See, now we outside. Now we outside. Now we outside. Lighting, I see we ain't dark, even though we black. Lighting, I'm gonna drop that top. I'm gonna make it rock. I'm gonna drop that top. I'm gonna make it rock. It's like one rand. Let's take together and told them when you look
Yeah.
like my wife.
yeah. Hey, look. J by J and we freestyling. Shit is crazy like. But you, let me see. If it's a fire, flows like this. Keep it on the low, but I know what I get. Shit is so good, shit is so bad, like it ain't no bliss. Yeah, we keep it alright, but you know how we gon' miss. Full house, full moon. It is what it is. Full time, full live. Awesome, man. I been on. Yeah. Rapping so crazy, niggas are out there and lazy. Feeling like, hey, I'ma go down with this one. I'ma go down with this one. Yeah.
Tse ka reng di alla di beat.
Man,
E bo international e. Ke rata international ya ho.
I wanna get China letters guy. Plus the chill, do it. It's a advert. God damn it. We ain't playing no adverts in this shit. How many? Mzanzinet. He's busy in here. One time, guys, one time. Hey Joe, guess who's back? Guess who's back? The stranger. Stranger Things. Yeah? Stranger Things. Kevin 99. Stranger Things, aka Stranger Things.
Still around.
I found him. Adventures level 3. This guy. he doesn't report for less. Yeah? Planning your own. Yeah, Avengers level 3. Hey. Avengers level 3. Avengers level 3 tiki.
Hey.
Hey.
Otlan tung.
Hey.
Nyana e tshi.
Hey. Flow so endless, nigga. Get it on. I'ma go get this, nigga. Feeling like I'ma go down and I'ma eat this, nigga. And everybody got here like this, nigga.
Yeah, we tweaking, nigga. We tweaking, nigga. You know this flow, hot as weekends, nigga. Yeah, move, easy ass niggas.
I'm setting the
We
way.
never drunk, but we high as bears.
I'm taking the blade, I'm fucking the word, I'm taking the work in the minute the flow. I'm a studying them alive, it don't got it like in the mode.
Flex, I'm flex. What's that? The monkey. Avengers level 3.
Level Fred.
Again.
If I stay holy.
It's perfect. Okaisa fast. Kola okaisa fast. Lele fast so. Obwena tela fast. Yeah, that's why I get some 1 hour. Because it can la dilingata blind. But deep is it? Who's this deep ass nigga? Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta do them like that, bro? Oh, good.
Hey.
Taking it. Yeah.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
Hey.
Auhele, masibunga sisa ke trahi. 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 I love my baby.
I flow you silly. Until I get angry. And I was stepping battle. Battle. I thought about battle.
Hele, bana ke utlwa go bata, ena ke ploka mapata. Tani mapenga mapengi masonga, bana maponga repenzi no tong. Raka no rong, zaka poraka matira rose. Hey, hele. Ayaga tusari, hele okala basile, hele wati bagisile,
Ah, quoi, ça n'a pas du tout.
Tiens, noyou.
Ouais, là, il y a
Bari yetsa jwa. O la ka download. You ain't got the original, man. You ain't got the original. We back outside, man. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And like. And share. And join. And watch. And ask us stupid questions.
Ask everything you wanna know, like why are we so dark?
Yeah.
Even though we are live, everything is fine.
Why are they stupid questions?
Just say what you like.
We live.
We live.
Don't come with your stupid questions. Stupid questions.
Jesus, this is obvious.
I don't
know why these people why they are not serious. Jesus,
My
this is obvious.
my
I don't
son.
tell these people I'm serious.
Jesus. Kantumnyama so. Hey, ngiluzile complexion.
Jesus. I'm going to rhyme with Jesus. Jesus, this is obvious. Why people I'm serious. Overflow tell the delirious. Everything that we do is marvelous. Bare delirious. Mara ke so bona gore ntwa tsena di marvelous. Empa ya kwa di tse ke di jang di delicious. Can't di fabulous. Everything
delicious.
Bare ntwa tsena di cumulous. And I get famous. Let lang banana go elo gore ba se ba nsaine ambitious.
Se ba onkela di tofa di royalties.
Se ke rekile la apara sa Christmas.
Bona I don't know tonight metse fela re lahla poso ka founa. Na le metse re lahla le poso fela ga ba lahla poso. Metse fela ba ka lahla poso. Agebe. It is what it is. It is what it is.
Sangara mengwape. Biti. Kabiti. O ga menga biti.
Ga makabiti.
Ya. Ke motho e lo re ke na lo speeder ka tha. Ya, ke na lo speeder ka thata o di mabiti. Pampe studio ke nke city.
Hey.
Hey, ke felle.
Hey.
Ya. Ke fika ke nka city, ke jola le ngwana fiti.
A tsubang le senifi.
A tsubang le senifi. A ke rate o jwala ngwana mo beng ka mphiki.
Hey, going off top, talking about beats, nigga, I'm off. Y'all niggas know I'ma get it down with a low blow, like I had to go when I know what I flow. It's so good, man, you know what it is, man. I keep it on hands like I never go get that. Niggas wanna see that when I come back, I'ma get with a different hat. Maybe not, maybe this is so good. Like I had some really good food, and it is what it is, what it is.
It is so big. This is so big. Look at my dick. It is so big.
Niggas are deep,
I'm not cheap.
You are even not cheap.
You are cheap. You are not cheap. You are even. You are not cheap.
I can't quit. Because my lines are sweet.
The top fan. Who's number one? Lisa Lesiba is number 1. Number 2, Ignatius.
Number 3,
Mao. And number 3,
Mao.
Number 3, Mao.
Mao Global.
Asinati. Number 5, Baloyi. Number 6, Kikasi Nude. Yes. Remember, guys, when you do something, when you react, when you do whatever, guys, when you react, you rank up. So make sure that you react, make sure you comment,
say whatever.
Rank up, Baba.
Ask us questions. We're still waiting.
Everyone in the stew. It's everyone here. In fact, this is
everyone. Everyone.
AV live.
AV like KSD. Yeah. AV and KSD.
Yeah. Alala. Come on, the disappearance.
The ghost.
Andriano. Avengers level 3. Tim Fanagit. He's back. Look at him. Here it is.
Back like I never left.
Avengers level 3. And then here's another one. Ntate Flex. Here's another one. So yeah, man. We out here. Let's play them songs of it. Ko badlala dipina banna. Light banna light. Mukti abale yathi batho light. Light azena. Flex to light. Cause akbatho hata ikovo yena. Mona. O hata ka di etsa tse bete. Violence. Abason muchaso la itulu la itai. Muchaso aso la iti baba pala mutimi.
Di bona rentse.
Bros are not lighting, eh?
Sebo dikong. Anja Dubai, sedi kumaka, le Dubai. O pefo.
Yo, studio recap.
We back in the studio. Now we about to make music.
Shit. Yes, sir. This side, man.
Anambana Jesu Gola, let's have a fellow.
What up?
Mulimuwaka na Habalo Zagari Plaza. Mulimuwaka Plaza. Anambana Jesu Gola. Asibale Kirapa and Habalo Zagara Zibin
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
Smoking.
Motšhini ona tlamehile go tlo tobetsa tse. Bona sale.
Amen.
E go ma se le slow as fuck.
It doesn't turn into Windows.
Let me express myself. Let me that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself.
Who do you think you are? Keep it on niggas and
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself.
Sounds like
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Myself. Let me express myself. Myself. Let me explain myself. Myself. Let me express stuff. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me explain myself. Myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself.
Hey. I feel fun. Flow.
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I'm doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself.
You know, to go back, you know, like zero. Straight up, I cannot challenge. Mara, ele faz isso. Cara, eu curto so. Eu curto a ah?
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself.
Let me
express myself.
Sorry.
Let me
live on the stream. Kung hawa to. Hawa to meme.
Hi. Hi, anamu. Inze poso. Hi. Yeah. Bada kuma. Hete kama kaka watu. Godi. Hey, inta ila na mono fe.
Kenya fela di na hai ntse go mametse fela se fufiswa fela ka ga ditete.
Let me explain myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that. Let me explain myself. Let me express.
What up, King? Hola. Camping bra, baba.
Check. Hey, au bala maga. Go tlo bala wena ka maga mona maga.
Let me explain myself.
Go en na me tin likin ya ga kono tamaya
I've been doing this and it feels great myself.
so so mo la chu
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this. Let me explain myself.
global la meno ga boto go pile line tse no tse go pa di freestyle mbona amonna
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Myself.
Perché non sta mai. Hai che non cambiamo. Che ne che, se bennatte. Che te ha? I can give it like some disease. Next. Like some disease.
Let me express myself.
Bana a go wena a go mas
Let me explain myself.
mo tšwetso ma
I'm KSD with the beats. KSD with the beats, my nigga. Yeah.
Let me explain myself.
bona mo ya monna
Let me express myself.
there you go
Let me explain myself.
Jesus number one.
Raka monega mamono a emeng o shela mono batho ba bedi shela mono.
And then
Dreadlocks ba go mang.
number three. Number four is Nebula.
The dreadlocks.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Ba go the dreadlocks ke mang.
It's me.
Ba go
Dreadlocks.
oh, like dreadlocks.
I don't know. Explain myself. Explain.
I don't know.
Okay, exactly. Ya se ve la cabo.
Away one.
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Myself. Let me express myself. Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself.
Look, I could take you to the mountains, set it up, let's set it up with him. I could take you to the mountains, let's set it up, Yeah. I could take it to the mountains, set it up like a fountain, set it up,
Oh,
set it
blue
up,
blanket.
like a fountain.
Blue blanket. Blue blanket.
Ayakukwa. Onele. Yeah. Woo! That shit dope. Set it up in a fountain. Woo! I get.
yeah
Woo! Ah, damn. Okay, let's go. I actually won like auto-tuning let's get some auto-tuning like this.
Fagayonke. Let's see first. Music.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ah. Set it up in a fountain, come and get a nigga, then it's a man. Honey, niggas are gone. C minor, dang. That's basic as hell, bro. Ah. Okay, let's go. I can check. What the fuck? I can take it to the mountains, set it up like a fountain. To the mountains, set it up like a fountain.
New style.
I can take it to the mountains, set it up like a fountain. Set it up like a fountain. Set it up like a fountain. I can take it to the mountains, set it up like a fountain. Set it up, but I'm gonna get some like in the town.
Moldova.
I can take it to the mountain, set it up like a fountain. Woo! Fun.
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that. Let me listen.
Why do I hear myself? Yo, because another DJ.
Myself. Let me express myself.
Lente mo taikuga. Why?
Internal storage. Phone is full.
Yes, I know.
Phone is full. Phone is full.
Ke na ke tahlela fela ka ama o monna ha ke tshabe ke tshile meyo ke monna le ga
Express myself.
ba sa kgone hore tatatela ka fela josi bona no ke na ke thata mafika ke tloga ke tsosa mahlosi ba be ba kgotsi ba ne ba bua ha e sa le bathotse ke tshwere tshepe ya ngaka matsitsela ke meriana ke ba dula ke ramana
Yeah.
batula ke gama ya tate ka fere ya dulanye ke ntse gopa ya batula pina tsa ka ya bataya sengwe se let me express
mountains, I can take it to the mountains, set it up like a fountain. I can take it to the mountains, set it up like a fountain. Let's go.
pina tsa ka di a ba hohela selemo sena ke no wa hlabula
I'm fine. Look, I can take it to the mountains, set it up like a fountain. Let's go. Look, I can take it to the mountain, set it up like a fountain. Talking to the niggas in the moon, talking to the main man, talking to the main man like I had to be on running in us. Talking to the main man like we had to go and get it like assumptions. Just as they will alone. I can take it to the mountain, set it up like a fountain. Talking to the man like I had to be a fountain.
like a fountain. Chilling up with no niggas like a fountain. In a fountain, every line is amazing. Every line is a fiction, niggas. Like a mount, every line feels like it's amazing. Like a mount, every line is a magic touch. Niggas are feeling like something, like it's a nigga assumptions. Every line feels like it's a magic touch, like a nigga, like we're living with assumptions. Like a fountain, every line is a magical touch. Every line is a magical touch, like we're living in assumptions. Every line is a magical, like a fountain. Every line is a magical touch, like when we live in assumptions. Solitary, I'm a con. Solitary, I'm accomplished. All these. Solitary, I'm accomplished. Assumptions. Solitary, I'm accomplished. I'm a solitary, I'm accomplished. Assumptions. Solitary, I'm accomplished. But with a team, I'm on. But with a team, I'm on. Assumptions. Solitary, I'm accomplished. But with a team, I'm on. I'm on. Solitary, I'm accomplished. But with a team, I'm on. You fuck shit. But with a team, you fuck shit. But with a team, I'm on fuck shit. Assumptions. Solitary. Living assumptions. Solitary, I'm a bitch. But with a team, I'm a fuck shit. Woo! Solitary, I'm accomplished. But with a team, I'm assumption. But with a team, I'm a fuck shit. Assumptions. Solitary, I'm accomplished. But with a team, I'm a fuck shit. And I fuck shit like I had to be a running line. But I had to be a running con. Solitary, I'm accomplished. But none of the team, I'm accomplished. And I fuck shit like I had to be a running con. Okay, you know, like quick. Assumptions. Every line is a magical charge, like we're living assumptions. Every line that we're living a charge, been like we're living okay. Every line is a magical touch, like when we're living assumptions. Okay, let's go. Every line is a magical touch, like when we're living assumptions. Woo! Every line is a magical touch, like when we're living assumptions. Let's go. And I fuck shit. I'm a fuck shit cause I shit. And I fuck shit cause I start shit. Shit. And I fuck shit cause I start shit. There's a no. And I fuck shit. And I start shit. Okay, cool. I like that one. I fuck shit, cause I start shit. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. Drop shit, and that's the reason why I'm in a topless. And I fuck shit, cause I start shit. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. Who do you talk to? Start shit, cause I start shit. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. Who do you talk to? Who do you talk to? I'm a phone to be sitting alone and go back in and I've been in the tongue to sitting alone. Let me Também não usa isso aí. Não usa isso aqui. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. 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 Who do you talk to? Too needy because it's fucking me up because I told you to be Immediately. My yeah. Yo, I forgot you okay. That's a star shit. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. Who do you talk to when you need something? That's shit. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. Who do you talk to? Yeah, tell me. Who do you talk to? Who do you talk to? Who do you talk to? Let me think about it. Who do you talk to? Let me think about it, Pikachu. Who do you talk to? Let me think about it, Pikachu. Everybody's so ashy. Who do you talk to? Let me think, Pikachu. Because everybody is so ashy. Nigga, attitude. Who do you talk to? Let me think, Pikachu. Because everybody is ashy. Everybody is because everybody's too ashy. Ashy. I guess we gotta use that other tune. Because everybody's too ashy. Because everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use other tune. But it's true. Everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use That's why we gotta use other tune. True, cause everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use auto-tune. True, everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use auto-tune. And I am a victim of this. That's enough, my shit. Don't disrespect.
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that
Hey!
I'm doing it.
Oh, God, can I shut up?
Take it to the mountain, set it up like a fountain. Heaven line is a magical touch, like when we live in a fountain. Solitary, I'm accomplished, but with a dream I'm a function, and I'm function, cause I start shit. That's the reason why I'm in a jobless. Who do you talk to? Let me think about it, Pikachu.
Yo no te otra calle, talaño. Bueno, la idea era esa. What's up, man? I see you for that. Can you make it? My boy. Cara, what's up?
Let me tell you that I'm
Ahora te lo.
Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I'm being doing this.
Tunayachisa wena.
Everybody's doing action.
That's why we gotta use all the tune, you know.
I am a minimalist.
Anybody got this?
Don't fire it, it should be
You say it's a no. Babo. Why is that? But at least don't take the subscriber you want.
You say that I use autotune, you know. I am a minimalist.
Nah,
That's right, that I use autotune, you know. Hey, that I use autotune.
tune in. Express myself. Keep it on me, them dance I'm found. I'm like a cat, man, spin them down. Sending a big
Let me express
dance.
myself.
Hey, that I use autotune.
Yeah. You get it like a big one for jungle. And I say that next. Go ahead. Hold hard. Next.
Hey, that I use autotune, you know. Hey, that I use autotune.
Tune in. Gotta express myself. Gotta make me understand myself. Gotta express myself. And
Hey, that I use autotune.
gotta express myself. Gotta get this music on it. Gotta get
my
Nana. Gotta express myself. Gotta take all this music to the shelf. Gotta take all of this music to the man. Okay, let's go. Nana, gotta express myself. Gotta take all the music to the right shelf. Nana, gotta express myself. Gotta take all the music to the shelf. Yeah, that's a good one. Nana, gotta express myself. Gotta take all the music to the shelf. You won't even
How I don't work at a shelf.
get it yourself.
I don't need any shelf.
Yeah.
I don't need any shelf.
Shelf.
I gotta express myself. Shelf.
Maybe I gotta sell it and I'm gotta take it to the music to the shelf. Maybe I gotta sell it and I'm maybe I gotta sell it and I'm maybe I gotta sell it and I'm to the shelf, sell it and I gotta take said it then I gotta check you myself and I get it then like I said it again. Shelf. To the shelf, touch to the exit, touch to the meat. Hi. To the shelf, touch to the buses and making them. Taking them, missing themselves, taking them, talk to the bosses and making them, taking the buses and making themselves, taking them. To the buses and make. To the shelf, taking to the, talk to the bosses who got all the wealth. Okay. To the shelf, talk to the bosses who got all the wealth. Okay. To the shelf, talk to the bosses who got it. Talk to the bosses who got all the wealth. To the shelf, talk to the bosses who got all the wealth. Shelf, take all the bosses who got all the wealth. Maybe I got it on. Maybe I'm wrong, but this isn't. Maybe I'm to the shelf, talk to the bosses who got on the shelf. Maybe I'm wrong, but they go. Maybe I'm wrong, but let me express. Maybe I'm wrong, but let me express myself. Well, maybe I'm wrong, but maybe I'm wrong, but maybe I'm wrong, but yeah. Maybe I'm wrong, but let me express myself. The more I'm done. Alright. Repeat. 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 Oh, I know that's too much now. Repeat. 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 To the mountain, sit it up like a fountain. Heaven line is a magical touch, like man, we live in a fountain. Solitary, I'm accomplished, but with a dream, I'm a function. And I function, cause I thought shit. That's the reason why I'm in a top list. Who do you talk to? Let me think. Dante! Let me guess, Pikachu.
Kila shasha fast.
Makagaiti ba rin? Hindi ko siya, hindi ko siya liyo. Fire ka na! Agad sa mukha ko pa yan, Zena. Yeah. Kata anja. Idule siya. Aginane ke to soka di beka po sentele perfect the willing kati. Zauna tilin to hamunade. You ain't gotta do anything else. Afraka yinka akin kuzina. Wala easy. Nigga, we gotta leave, nigga. That's it. Hey, guys, it would all about that easy.
Dangerous weapons.
We gotta do this to ourselves, nigga. Yo, hey, this is too much. Too much sauce, my nigga. Cause I start. Okay, you gotta move.
Also, the herb.
Eh?
That's a get the rest.
Nah, since it's too deep,
I'm not beginning to give up.
nah.
How is he give up?
The way they look at it, perfect.
Itinya lingi chobeka putsini. Now we know see village and we do it. I don't know.
I never take it like move from like a show kapag rata for
I
fishing.
want to move
Then
in.
why walk? Kita melodule uleka like he chance.
You guys look up no.
This is so Aisha. Kapag ganyan Alex ba tayo? Alright. Ganyan din yung Slicky. Unajua ni gani noma.
Myself, myself. Myself, let me express myself. Let me tell you that I been doing this and it feels great myself.
I can take it to the mountain, sit it up like a fountain. Heaven line is a magical touch, like when we're living in fountain. So they tell me I'm accomplished, but with a dream I'm gonna fuck shit. And I fuck shit, that's a fast shit. That's the reason why I'm in a topless. Who do you talk to? Let me think about it, feel with you. Everybody's too ashy. Gonna take all the music to the shelf. Back to the buzzers who got all the wealth. Maybe I'm wrong.
Let me express myself.
Pikachu, everybody's too ashy.
What are you talking about?
Pikachu, everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use attitude.
Mana ntho ya movie.
Ya movie.
Ne ya loku ya tsama. Lo hana mo go ka movie.
Let me think about it, Pikachu. Everybody's too ashy. Everybody's too. Let me think about it, Pikachu. Everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use attitude, and Pikachu, everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use attitude, and okay, let's go. Pikachu, everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use autotune and everybody's too ashy. That's why we gotta use autotune and yeah. Perfect. It's good. In it offside without listen.
I know what Facebook say. You say the hands.
Everybody's too ashy. Let me think about it, Pikachu. Everybody's too. I wasn't on time.
It's slow.
Yeah. Lockdown it. This one. I'm never meet them. So far. The whole team.
Explain myself, myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself.
I can take it to the mountain, set it up like a fountain. Heaven line is a magical touch, like. Hold up. Can fix it on the other side. Too much. So still at the sharpness. So why? Healthy. But I'm too healthy.
Myself. Let me explain myself. 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 Let me explain myself. Let me express myself. Let me tell you that I've been doing this and it feels great myself.
Babone mono ba re mono itosi tu wa bona ka ka channel nyo ka re denyo e record lenga yo o ntse le sharp ina le ona kala
Ntate, clean sharp mo na khola mga.
Let me express myself. I don't need any show.
yo kana be khona la kala
Let me express myself. I don't need any show. I got my G's running the streets over the whole town with a B. Yes, I know.
la
Yeah. Let me express myself. I don't need any show. I got my G's running the streets over the whole town with a B. Yes, I'm a nigga. In my man, at the beginning. How about the beginning? I got to feel it.
Dale. Double tap. Winkles are fail at a happy. Anyana happy. Sure. Yeah. Paga yonke. Paga yonke. Paga yonke ore. Oko ikala pero oko ikwa ruka fe.
Let me tell you that I'm doing this and it feels great myself. Let me express myself. I don't need any show. I got my G's running the streets over the whole town with a B. Yes, I'm a nigga in my man, at the beginning. How about the beginning? I feel it.
Ya mutse mutse. Okon tswa ka mona la masipa kwa.
Ukotla excellent. Muna
Tswa le kwa ngana kwa.
Muna timfana bese muna. Yo, we out, Joe. We'll see you guys the next time we do this. G, pepeta G fe. Sure. O batla o tswela pele nke kapa wa itlosa. Wa itlosa. Isefa is itlose karahe. It's a alt up. Pepeta alt up. Kana ko ibuale. Pepeta
Alti.
a go yang di. Alt le a go yang di. Me.
Alti. Oh, ila we.
Isa puri. Sure. The mobile record record.
Let me express myself. I don't need any
Record. Record.
Let me express myself. I don't need any shelf. I got my G's running the streets over the whole town with a B. Yes, I'm a nigga. Give my man, at the beginning. I got to feel it. Cause I don't.
Alright, guys. The whole team, man. We've been here day 24, day 34 or something. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Shout out everybody who was in this chat. Shout out Mao. Shout out Mao. Shout out hey guys, it's not so too.
Re sa tlo kubeletsa le mosena ba kene kare.
Shout out
Ho nkga
Edney.
thupa fela
Shout out
moyeng mona ba
Nerd.
tlo bale. Di sa tlo kuba no, makes me so forever no.
Shout out who else?
Control Z.
Hey, o batla e hlakola?
Eh.
Yeah. Asenati, shout out
Re sa tlo
Asenati.
kubeletsa le mosena ba kene
Please.
kare. Ho nkga thupa fela moyeng mona ba tlo bale. Di sa tlo kuba no, stressing myself forever no. Di sa tlo kuba no.